Oh, whenever. Whenever? What does that mean? So yeah, this video is about the word whenever. And there are actually two main ways that we use this word. We can use it to mean anytime, and we can also use it to mean every time. But how are those different? Well, to make that clear, I'm going to give you some examples that you can use easily in your daily life. We're going to start with whenever, meaning anytime. And if you don't understand anytime means that the time doesn't matter. The time is not important. We don't care about the time. We can leave whenever you want. If you want to leave at 5, we can leave at 5. If you want to leave at 7, we can leave at 7. It's up to you. I don't care what time we leave. You can start whenever you are ready. If you are ready now, you can start now. If you need some more time, we can wait. That's okay. You can do it whenever you have time. I know you're busy. You don't need to do it right now. I need you to do it, but please take care of your other tasks first. Maybe someone is helping you with something, and you don't want to bother them too much. If they ask what time they should come to help you, you could reply, whenever you have time, or whenever works for you. And sometimes we just say, whenever. If someone borrows something from you, and they ask you when they should return it to you, you could reply, oh, whenever. I don't use it often. Okay, now whenever, meaning every time. This is very similar to when. However, whenever is better when we have repeated actions, things that happen again and again. Whenever he looks at his daughter, he smiles. Every time that he looks at her, he smiles. Martha eats ice cream whenever she feels sad. Every time that she feels sad, she eats ice cream. Whenever I need to learn how to do something new, I go on YouTube first. This means that going on YouTube is the first step that I take every time that I need to learn how to do something new. Whenever he starts feeling tired, he drinks a cup of coffee. Whenever I say, go for a walk, my dog gets excited. Tup Tim gives her grandparents money whenever she visits them. So yeah, that's how we use whenever. And if you have any questions about this topic, please feel free to let me know. And I make about 3 to 5 new English learning videos each week, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to do that. Also, if you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.